Today we're going to make a creature, person, whatever you want, popping out or peeking through an opening in a wall or a piece of paper, whatever you want it to be. To start, make a vertical kind of eye shape and elongate the ends. Next, we're going to do the fingers on a new layer. And the fingers can be claws, they can be human fingers, whatever kind of fingers you want, and however many you want on each side. Just going to do 4. I'm just basically making circular shapes. And drop fill those whatever color you want. Oops, must be a leak there. Now we're going to go back to layer 1 and drop fill the outside area of the opening. Make sure, I see I have a little crack right here. Make sure you don't have any cracks because you want it to fill in like that. You're going to make a new layer, put it underneath layer 1. On this layer, you're going to draw the face of whatever is peeking out. I'm going to draw a one-eyed monster. And also color it in any way you like. Okay, I already have kind of that peeking out look, but to make it look more dimensional, I'm going to make a new layer. On top of that layer, get black. And make this brush pretty thick and go along the edge of the opening. And then Gaussian blur that. And I'm also going to lower the opacity of it a little bit on mine. It's a little too dark. Then you're basically done. You can add shading to the fingers, add shading to the face, add details and designs to the wall that's opening up. It's up to you, but it's a real easy, quick way to make it look like something is peeking through a curtain, a wall, piece of paper, whatever you want. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and I'll see you next time.